Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a workspace in Airtable. Workspaces are essential for organizing your bases and collaborating with your team. Think of them as dedicated hubs where all related projects reside. They help maintain a clear structure, especially when managing multiple projects or departments. Let's dive into the simple steps to set up your very first workspace and enhance your team's productivity. To begin, open your Airtable account and locate the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. You will see an option labeled Add a Workspace. Click on this button to initiate the creation process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your new workspace. Choose something clear and descriptive, perhaps reflecting its purpose or the team it serves. You can also select an icon and color for visual distinction. Once your workspace is created, it is time to invite your team. Within the workspace, find the Share or Invite option. You can then enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to add. Airtable allows you to assign different roles, such as creator, editor, or commenter, giving you granular control over permissions. This ensures everyone has the appropriate level of access to the bases within that specific workspace. With your workspace ready and team members invited, you can now populate it with bases. You have two main options: either drag and drop existing bases from other workspaces into your new one, or create entirely new bases directly within it. Consider creating separate workspaces for different departments, like marketing or finance, or for distinct projects. This organizational strategy helps maintain clarity and efficiency across all your Airtable endeavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.